What if I told you that the next crypto bull run could be even bigger than the last one? And what if I told you there are specific under-the-radar projects that could potentially deliver 100x returns by 2027? It sounds crazy, I know, but today we're diving deep into the projects that I believe have this explosive potential. We're going beyond the hype and looking at real technology, real utility, and the incredible fusion of two of the biggest trends on the planet: artificial intelligence and blockchain. So grab a notebook, because you're going to want to remember these names. This isn't just about quick flips. This is about identifying the potential giants of the next digital revolution. Let's get into it. First on our list is a project that's truly at the cutting edge, OZIC AI, with the ticker OZ now. OZIC isn't just another AI project jumping on the bandwagon. It's building a comprehensive ecosystem where AI and blockchain don't just coexist, they empower each other. Think about it. They're developing their own Layer 1 blockchain specifically designed for AI operations. This means faster, cheaper, and more efficient AI model training and deployment. They're also creating an AI-driven launchpad to help vet and launch new crypto projects, using artificial intelligence to analyze code, team credibility, and market potential. This could be a game changer for identifying quality projects early on. Furthermore, their DYOR tool is an AI assistant for Web3 developers, helping them write and debug smart contracts more effectively. By integrating AI at the very core of the blockchain infrastructure, OZIC is positioning itself to be a fundamental building block for the next generation of decentralized applications. It's ambitious, it's innovative, and it's why it's at the top of my list of potential 100x gems. Next up, we have a coin that's all about speed. SAY, with the ticker SAY, in the world of blockchain, speed is everything. We've all felt the frustration of slow transactions and high gas fees on networks like Ethereum. SAY is tackling this problem head-on. It's a Layer 1 blockchain specifically optimized for trading. They boast one of the fastest time to finality in the industry, meaning transactions are confirmed almost instantly. How do they do this? Through a novel consensus mechanism and parallel processing, which allows the network to handle multiple transactions simultaneously, rather than one by one. This makes it an ideal platform for decentralized exchanges, gaming applications, and anything that requires high throughput and low latency. While other blockchains are trying to be a jack of all trades, SAY has chosen to be a master of one: speed. This specialization could give it a massive advantage as the demand for fast, efficient decentralized applications continues to skyrocket. It's built for a future where millions of transactions happen every second, and that's a future I want to be invested in. Our third gem is one of my personal favorites because it's solving a huge real-world problem: a cash network, ticker KT. We all use the cloud, whether we know it or not. Services from Amazon, Google, and Microsoft power a huge portion of the internet. But this centralization comes at a cost. It's expensive and controlled by a few massive corporations. Akash is building the decentralized alternative, a peer-to-peer marketplace for cloud computing. Think of it as the Airbnb for computer power. If you have unused processing power on your computer or servers, you can rent it out on the Akash network. If you're a developer who needs to run an application, you can access this global network of computing resources at a fraction of the cost of traditional cloud providers. We're talking up to 85% cheaper in some cases. This isn't just a theory. It's a live, functioning network with a growing number of users. As more developers and businesses look for cost-effective and censorship-resistant computing solutions, Akash is perfectly positioned to capture a significant chunk of the multi-billion-dollar cloud industry. The narrative of decentralized physical infrastructure, or DeFi, is one of the most powerful in this cycle, and Akash is a clear leader in the space. Moving on to our fourth pick, we have Cortex, ticker CTXC. This one is for the true tech enthusiasts. Cortex has been working on a fascinating problem for years. How do you run complex AI models directly on the blockchain? Most projects use AI off-chain and just record the results on-chain. Cortex is different. They've built a public blockchain that allows developers to upload and execute AI models within smart contracts. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for truly autonomous and intelligent decentralized applications. Imagine a decentralized insurance contract that uses an AI model to automatically assess a claim based on verifiable data, or a decentralized asset management fund run by an AI that makes decisions transparently on the blockchain. Cortex has its own virtual machine, the CVM, which is specifically designed to handle AI computations. It's a highly technical and ambitious project, but if they succeed in becoming the go-to platform for on-chain AI, the potential is absolutely staggering. They are pioneers in a field that is still in its infancy, and getting in early on this kind of foundational technology is how generational wealth can be made. Our fifth and final gem for today is Pocket Network, ticker POCT. This one is all about the plumbing of Web3. Every time you use a decentralized application, a wallet, or a crypto game, it needs to request data from the blockchain. This is done through something called an RPC node. Currently, many applications rely on centralized node providers, which creates a single point of failure. If that provider goes down, all the apps relying on it go down too. Pocket Network solves this by creating a decentralized network of thousands of RPC nodes distributed all over the world. Applications can tap into this network for unstoppable, censorship-resistant access to blockchain data. In return for providing this service, node runners earn POC tokens. It's a simple and elegant solution to a critical infrastructure problem. As the number of decentralized applications grows, the demand for reliable data access will only increase. Pocket Network is building the essential decentralized backbone for the entire Web3 ecosystem. It's not as flashy as some other projects, but its fundamental role makes it an incredibly powerful and potentially lucrative long-term investment. Now, identifying these potential gems is only half the battle. The other half is having a solid strategy and managing your risk. A 100x return sounds amazing, but it comes with extreme volatility. It's crucial to understand that these are high-risk, high-reward plays. Never invest more than you are willing to lose. My strategy for these types of assets is called dollar cost averaging, or DCA. This means investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, say every week or every month, regardless of the price. This approach smooths out your entry point and reduces the risk of buying everything at a market top. It also removes emotion from the equation. When the market is crashing and everyone is panicking, your DCA plan keeps you buying. When the market is euphoric, it keeps you from getting carried away. Another key part of the strategy is taking profits. Set clear targets for yourself. Maybe you sell 25% of your position after it doubles, another 25% after it quadruples, and so on. This ensures you lock in gains and secure your initial investment. Remember, nobody ever went broke taking profits. The goal isn't just to see big numbers on a screen. It's to turn those numbers into real-world value. Be patient, be disciplined, and have a plan. So, there you have it, 5 crypto projects I believe have the potential for massive growth by 2027. Ozek AI, say a Cash Network, Cortex, and Pocket Network. Each of these projects is tackling a significant problem with innovative technology, positioning them at the forefront of the next wave of crypto adoption. From AI-integrated blockchains and high-speed trading platforms to decentralized cloud computing and essential Web3 infrastructure, the potential here is immense. However, and I cannot stress this enough, this is not financial advice. I am simply sharing my research and my personal perspective as a content creator in this space. The crypto market is incredibly volatile and unpredictable. You must do your own research, understand the risks involved, and make decisions that are right for your own financial situation. Don't just take my word for it. Dig into their white papers, join their communities, and truly understand what you're investing in. The journey to 100 by returns is a marathon, not a sprint. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Let me know in the comments which of these projects you're most excited about. Until next time, Stay curious and invest wisely.